Music Guy Mike here with a video review. We just got in these spalted maple. Not too much spalt on this one. Some of them have very beautiful spalt that I saw over in the shipping operation. However, these are just some right out of the box that I just grabbed. Of course, it has the Kala built-in tuner with a pickup on this model. And the action is a little too high for me right out of the box, and the first thing I noticed is that these sharp points at the end of the nut have to be rounded over a hair, because they stuck my hand as soon as I went this way. But if you get that from a properly set up dealer, I'm sure they'll fix that for you. The nut slots could be lowered a little, but nice sound. Clear, crisp sound. This is the electric version called smte. And this is the same model but without the pickup. And again, a little sharp on the edges of that nut. So the spalted maple version, flame maple, KASMT. Wood binding. They're binding the necks now. You can see the little strip. And looks like they got a new reinforced jack. I haven't seen this jack before. A little bigger footprint. And that's my report for these two. I'll have more models as soon as I can open up the boxes.